Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. This is a 2021 Chevy Silverado pickup truck, Z71. So basically what we did, we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm because they like to break into these trucks and steal airbags or whatever they can find inside the vehicle. Sometimes they leave them on full brakes. Not as common as cars, but it can happen. So by adding the shock sensor, it takes care of that situation, and you don't have to install another alarm and on top of another alarm, because you already have the factory alarm. So what we did, we added the kit to it. So if anybody walks up and they bang on the window, sets off the alarm. Okay. It works good on both sides. Any window that they break, it will fire off the alarm system. Test out the remote start too. Okay, car is running. The remote start came from factory, but sometimes we get emails, does the shock sensor add-on kit interferes with the remote start? It will not. The only way it will, if the sensitivity is set super high, that the vibration of the motor will set off the shock, and then the car will not turn on. But that doesn't happen. It doesn't even happen in too many cars anyway. It's just I've seen it happen maybe a few times here and there, and some Dodges and whatnot. But besides, you shouldn't have the shock sensor that piss sensitive, because it's going to be going off all the time. This shock sensor is fully adjustable. You can set the sensitivity how you want it. So you can kind of like play it where you go to work in your neighborhoods and stuff like that. If you park it in a high traffic area, the trucks are going by constantly, you don't want to have that sensitive. This shock sensor add-on on this 2021 Chevy Silverado was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Line Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. Anybody out of state, just give us a call, and I can guide you where you can get this installed. Thank you for watching this video.